Welcome back to the Spanish Pavilion stage. Yes, I'm sorry, we're going to go ahead with another presentation, so if you'd like to stay, please take a seat. We're going to continue with our co-exhibitor company presentations. It's now the turn of Weplan Analytics. You can find them in booth number 13. Accompanying me on stage is Pablo Reaño, CEO of the company, and he's going to talk to us about Weplan Analytics worldwide network quality measurement. So whenever you're ready, Pablo, please take center stage. You have the clicker here.
Thank you, Rio. Thank you very much, everyone, to having me here. It's a pleasure to do this little pitch in the Spanish Pavilion, in which we are starting this year exhibiting from here. So, what we are experts in network quality measurement. We actually do this in a worldwide, let's say, approach, and that's what we do. We measure the network of every MNO that is actually providing service in the world. How do we do this? We implement an SDK in the final devices through hundreds of agreements with different apps, third-party apps that we pay actually for that. And we gather actually more than 3 billion measurements every day. So 3 billion measurements every day. You can have then a clue how much data about network quality, network performance we are actually collecting. Yeah, actually there are, as I was saying, a lot of third-party apps in which we implement our technology to be able to have this information. This information is ours, just ours. We don't provide it to, let's say, third parties, let's say in any channel. We just deliver service directly to MNOs, tower codes, or regulators even. Okay. What do we do? What do we offer actually in, let's say, in competitive terms to our clients? We gather information regarding network quality that is measured 24/7. Okay, or every year of the year, 24 hours, we are gathering information so that we can actually picture what is the actual performance of the network. Therefore we are able to have a very widespread spatial distribution of our measurements in every kind of environment, indoor, outdoor, in vehicle, and we are actually very able to infer what's that. In terms of accuracy and quality, we are top notch. I mean, and that's what actually our clients tell us. We are technically ahead of our competition. Okay, because of our quantity and quality of measurements. On the other hand, what do we do? We offer a very useful dashboard that actually is not only offers the data information to the user, to our customers, but also gives a lot of insights through all the machine learning algorithms that we've been able to develop over the years. I want to go a little bit backwards, and we actually were born hand to hand with a tier 1 operator here in Europe, and they want an off-the-shelf product, the ones that already existed, and wanted a crowdsourcing methodology that was actually the most accurate and most precise that could be given. And for that, we have been able to let's say evolve very much what we have done. Okay. Apart from that, we don't believe in just let's say selling projects. We believe on long-term relationship with our clients, the MNOs, the tower codes, even the regulators, and therefore we provide a very good technical support, and we work on the trust, on the confidence of of them. Let me just detail a little bit what do our clients make this information, these tools, what are the use cases, okay? First, they use our tools, our information, to benchmark, to compare themselves with the competition. Second, they use it to deploy to new deployments, what is called the RF planning, okay? The radio planning. On the other hand, they actually are able, since it's so good quality data, they are able to optimize their network. And on the other hand, and the last, let's say, main 4 use case that we do, that they use of our services, they are able to identify venues such as malls, stadiums, hospitals, museums, and so on, to build in-building solutions or DAS distributed antenna solutions. Okay. Actually, just a little of detail about the use cases that TowerCo do of our services. They use us to lease up their assets, their current assets. They use us to identify places for new rollouts of new towers. They identify venues to be able to go and pitch their own customer, the MNO, the landlord of a mall, for instance, new venues. They actually use this information too. We can help them to assess what's the leasing potential of a new portfolio that they may be wanting to acquire. They use us to see, let's say, network densification needs of a certain MNO. This is very typical in dense urban areas, to assess the site decommission risk, to consolidate even their assets, to be able to know which is the which of their sites is actually more valuable for the client, and therefore be able to differentiate and do different pricing, and actually to do the revenue assurance. That is to tell them actually which MNOs are operating and which frequency and which frequencies from each one of their sites. They sometimes actually don't know this. These are our clients in terms of MNOs and growing, some of them, and these are our main customers in terms of TowerCos, and in this last case, Ociptel is their Peruvian regulator. We've been working for a lot of years with them. Thank you very much. I would love to see you at our stand. It's been a pleasure. Thank you.